have KRUGER MATZ Flow 5, and let me show you how to add the pattern protection on the following device. So basically let me show you how to set up the screen lock on the following phone. Let's start by using the apps icon. From the list of applications, choose settings. Now you need to find and select the security. It's under personal tab. Choose the screen lock right here, and now let's choose one of the following screen lock methods. It could be pattern, pin or password. In my case, let me select pattern. It's time to draw your unlock pattern, so let me do it. Choose continue, and let's do it again just for confirmation. So tap confirm. Now you have to choose the form of notifications. You can show all notification content, hide sensitive notification content, or don't show notifications at all. In my case, let me show all content. Tap done, and basically that's it. Now if you would like to use your screen lock, let's simply press power key, and as you can see right now, if you would like to use your device, you need to enter your pattern. That's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.